Welcome to Life Hacks. Today we show you how to make toilet paper. Toilet paper is usually supplied as a long strip of perforated paper wrapped around a paperboard core for storage in a dispenser near a toilet. Most modern toilet paper in the developed world is designed to decompose in septic tanks, whereas some other bathroom and facial tissues are not. Recently, there is an uncontrollable buying desire for toilet paper in the civilized world, so that many nice families cannot get a supply of toilet paper. What can you do? Take an old, dusty digital camera, take a photo of your last sheet of toilet paper, making sure that the paper is spread out smoothly. And then, just print it out. If you need more than one sheet, then print out several sheets. Did you think it would be so easy to solve the problem?